In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare Turnstile. We'll walk through creating a Turnstile widget in the Cloudflare dashboard so you can protect your forms and sign in pages from bots without frustrating your visitors. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the main navigation, head to the Protect and Connect area. If your dashboard looks a little different, that's fine. Cloudflare occasionally updates the layout, but the options we need are the same. Open Application Security and then select Turnstile. This is where all of your human verification widgets will live. Click Add Widget to create a new one. Give the widget a clear descriptive name. Use something that tells you where it will be used, like contact form or checkout page, so it's easy to manage later. Next, add the host names where this widget is allowed to run. Host names are simply the domains or subdomains that will load the widget. Enter each one you plan to use, then confirm by clicking Add. You'll see them added to the list. When you're satisfied, click Add again to finalize. You may be prompted to check a confirmation box, such as agreeing to terms or acknowledging configuration choices. Go ahead and select that to proceed. Now, choose the widget mode. Managed is the recommended default, where Cloudflare decides the best challenge level automatically. Non-interactive attempts to verify users silently without showing a prompt unless needed. Invisible is designed to stay out of the way and trigger only when verification is required. For a streamlined setup, choose Managed for now. You'll also see an option for pre-clearance. This determines whether visitors can be verified early, at the edge, which can reduce friction on pages that follow. Pick Yes if you want that behavior, or No if you prefer verification only when the widget loads. When everything looks good, click Create. Cloudflare will generate your Turnstile widget and confirm that it was created successfully. You can now see it listed in the Turnstile section of your dashboard, ready for use on the host names you specified. That's it. You've created a Cloudflare Turnstile widget, named it for easy tracking, limited it to trusted host names, selected the mode that fits your needs, decided on pre-clearance, and finished the setup in a few clicks.